So I'm going to be pretending that I have another woman in the house today. Hey, you hear her? Open the window. We are jump. My God, easy. We are.
You see, if you're in my bathroom, you need to come out.
You can't. Okay, guys. Mama Joans again. You know, it's nice and spicy, like pure Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, Mama Joan also the fancy look. I wanna leave out Mama Joan. I know everybody love Mama Joan. Today's Papa area run Mama Joan. Mama Joan not even there. Me one there. And here, guys. You see, today now, today me a plan to prank Mama Joan. We done wicked spicy. We are talking about what you say. You know, or you want it spicy? Well, today one I go spicy. I go pretend that me have another what? Another what? Me have another woman in the house. So you see, and me and Mama Joan I go in a pure war today. But you know it's pure love we deal with, but you know today is different love. So I'm going to be pretending that I have another woman in the house today. And I want to see, oh Mama Joan, I will react to that today. I want to see if she can take some of her own medicine. Because only me know enough forget because I know the scent still in my nose and my ears are hurt me. The fraud prank where she pranked me there. Me I tell you my youth, wicked prank, but it's okay. Daddy already have something wickeder than that panel today. We are going in our room now, go check in our closet see if we can find a pair of shoes. We put at the door, make it look like and the wickedest thing, my people. A pair of shoes, me I go use it now. It is another body shoes where me I get shoes from. Me I go dig deep the shoes here. Me I look for something I never see she even wear yet. But today me I go check out in our closet, see if we find a pair of shoes so we can execute this plan. Alright guys, so make a walk. Okay guys, in the closet we're there, you know. Wanna see the closet? Wanna look there. My youth, you see some of them something here in this closet here. Me not even know if me ever see Mama Joan wear, me not talk about the clothes because the shoes we are looking for now, but me only show no things still. You see all of them something here. Me not see Mama Joan, but you see, down here so now, show no things. You see, down here so, she have her shoes them and everything. You know? So, when me I do, me I look a nice pair of shoes. See if me can put it at the door, make it look like, say, well then, you know? So, you see them here? You see them ones here? Yeah, but we're not going to use them ones. We are going to use, we are going to search till we find a nice. And I don't want, you see all them backs here? The backs having some nice shoes now, but you see them front backs and them front shoes here. I don't want to use nothing, I want to go something where deep. Where, not even me never see she wear that. I never think she would remember it. So when we are going to do, we are going to dig deep. You know, help me because my back no good. No, my back no good. So here what I do now. Una help me. Why this one are not even depend on something. The weird. Me know she no weird for how long. When you see the red box here, it not even depend on the box thing. It drop off and depend on the floor. Basically, me no know. And the box red to it up, Papa. So you know, so I'm like a full shoes. In that, you know, see the name? You can't even pronounce the nation it, but What? One thing, people, one thing. Make we see if we find something else still, you know, because one dog is so deep too, you know. And me look deep, you know, because I need to look deep. So one here, that one you look deep, you know, see it? Oh, yeah. No, that one you look dead. Make me search. Looking at the box here. Make me looking at the box here. Oh, gold. Boy, I always go on, you know. From the see that one here, the red one, it just caught me eyes like everything else come now go really look like me could have used it. That one just kill me. We are going to deal with the thing now. See it work out and look for Mama Joan. So she pretty. She got ugly today. Okay guys. Now I'm going to put the shoes right here so at the door. So as soon as Mama Joan come through the door, the first thing I caught her eye is them two pieces of red shoes sitting right there in the closet and make me find this upper cyan room. So make sure something real small this is about. size 6. You know, so I know say from she see this, she knows say, it's not her size. Me I go put it right just up on the step. Remember say and on a ramp thing we are ramping a serious something we serious we did. So when she see that now, she say, oh that I'm hurry up with the car shop. They couldn't wait till them go upstairs, they take it off down at the stairs and so. So watch me and mama, you know wait till you see that the face when you're done with it. I want it to stay good. Where it now too slide off and I don't want it to unk up so. I want to spice up the thing because I'm saying no play thing, you know. Me want to spray up like a perfume on the door. So you see when Mama Joan come through the door, she said, oh, where that me smell? So when she smell that and see shoes here so and something on this so, me I tell you, she go crazy. So guys, me borrow a little cyan perfume, you know, me not a woman perfume downstairs. So you see this now? Spray it early, you know. When she done, it kind of wear out, but you know me how do it too. Me go spray a little by myself. So when she smells me, whoa, she say, what kind of woman something that they pay you, my boy? I mean, I say, you're lucky we're gonna get a question about no woman thing. I think that. All heap of thing we are thing up to there. Watch out. I don't think I joke thing. A Mother's Day give me, oh, not a wicked man. Mother's Day give me a gear, you know.
1 hour later.
It's about to go down.
Yes!
Where are you?
I do a little thing for you. So quick.
You never come back so quick.
Me think you go on a road for spend some time. Quiet to the way, me turn off the light. Me don't know. Why you come back so quick, honey?
You never come back so quick.
Me think you say you go on a road. What you do here already? With that?
How for shirt this?
Me just ask you. You ask me the same question when me ask you.
No, because I find this on the step. I think it was Shan shirt, but Sam don't wear them shirt yet. Oh, the shirt belongs to her.
That look like it can fit me?
I don't know, it was on the step.
I don't know. So you come home so early?
Maybe I'm coming so early.
Oh, you come back early. Where you go?
Let me just go.
Look good
The
though.
road is going to do a little thing and come back. Yeah.
Oh, you look good though, honey.
Okay.
So, you alright? Me there I say people now. Press out.
Okay, but you move south. Is something wrong?
Oh, me I move, honey.
First of all, what you do up here? Why would you be high up here? You
No.
always high downstairs in your room.
Yeah,
So
but
why
the
are you
I
up here?
am downstairs never work. True. I hear thing me I look about. I hear thing me I press for you know. Come here say, you know. I may go somewhere later. I can go later so I press a nice tap for you.
Okay. Alright.
You know. Give me a kiss before you use a bounce me so.
Okay, we need to go use the bathroom for a minute.
Give me a kiss, but what kind of back boy we are going to do? Want to do the bathroom, my dog says. Whenever you use it, if you say I wash over this side.
Okay, we need to go pee, Harry.
Yeah, kiss before you go pee, man. Yeah,
Harry,
kiss.
no. Something wrong. Is something, are you okay?
Because I make my wife kiss something wrong.
No, you're act funny, my you.
Oh,
You're act funny. You're act
funny.
shady.
Oh.
Move, then we're going to use it.
You know, as talking about washroom. Let me just use the washroom.
You just use the bathroom?
Shit, start.
No, man, if you shit at my bathroom, that's okay.
Let me tell you something. It think, you know what? It open the window and everything free. We turn all the pipe to because they say the pipe.
It's okay. It's okay.
At pipe water.
Okay, Harry, can you move out of the way so I'm going to use the bathroom?
Want
What's
to know
wrong
what-
with you?
want to know what
I
over
don't
there,
want
so-
to use the bathroom. I never usually use that bathroom. I need to go use the bathroom.
You know why me I tell you this? It's when you call me.
Listen, we need to
Me
go
just cut the shit short.
That's okay.
But me feel like it a come back, you know. So use the one there over there, so you make it look so. You can't use the one there over there, so me want to finish the
First
one
of
there.
all,
I don't know what's the cyan something that you sure not cyan one. Me don't know
this
this.
shirt I don't. Shirt downstairs. First off, there's a red shoes at the door. Whose shoes is that?
No more cyan shoes.
Cyan, don't wear. That is not cyan shoes. That look like some girl shoes. Whose shoes is that?
Is a woman shoes?
Yes, it's a woman shoes.
I want man in there say if I not cyan on a few.
It's not my shoes. We know all of my shoes. That is not my shoes.
Well, me don't know, you know, cause
I need to go use the bathroom.
You know, you hear me say? You go use, we are jump, my God, we are,
So move. You have shoes downstairs. You have woman shoes downstairs, and you have goddamn perfume smelling downstairs and shirt. So till you move from the door, that's okay.
Easy, man. Why you push me down? Why you need to come into this one?
Because of my bathroom, I need to use the bathroom. You have a problem with me using the bathroom, Harry?
I just use it and it not smell good.
I don't care. I love smelling shit. Your shit no bother me.
Not this one here. This one that smell different from all of the rest. You know where you cook yesterday? Where you cook?
What the
Wait, no. Yes, I wrote. You can hurry and so. Take your time, man. What you say?
Why you can't walk the bathroom door? Is there somebody in there?
No,
Is there somebody in there?
I didn't ask if you had kiss. I said, give me a little
I
kiss.
don't want to kiss you. I needed to open the bloody bathroom door so that I can use the bathroom. That's what I needed to do. Listen, if you have any, it seems like you have a woman that I'm doing it. Any bitch you have in a goddamn bathroom, you better make them come out, you know, because me I tell you,
Where would I have a
I don't, because you are shaky.
What mean shaky?
Bitch,
No, I'm not one.
let me tell you something. Any goddamn woman in a goddamn bathroom better come out of my goddamn bathroom before we come back in here. Okay.
Hey, you open that window and jump through it, you know.
No to bomber clock.
What?
I wish bitch you have in a bathroom.
Nobody know
You
either.
tell us that you have fucked yourself and a man pay bomber clock foolishness shot. I pay bomber clock foolishness shot keep up in here. You tell me, okay.
The washroom floor, you just go look around.
First of all, you have a woman shoes downstairs that they all wear. You have a shirt on the goddamn stairs. That's all. A perfume, you smell. You tell me say you iron your shirt. Iron your shirt and goddamn iron no plug in. What the fuck you are doing there? When the iron no plug in, what the bathroom door is? I wish bitch you have in a
No.
You mean you bring a bitch coming to my house, honey? You bring a woman coming to my house?
Got him! Got him!
Alright, this is what me I go tell you now. Okay. My girl, you see if you're in my bathroom, you need to come out. Any woman in my bathroom, you need to come out, you know. Because if me come in there, I'm not gonna bomb a clot like me I go do. So you get the fuck out of my bathroom. Any who not get out. Any bitch in there, you better get out, you know. You better get out. Hurry if you
When we do it, bitch.
Listen.
Them good woman like you when we do it, bitch.
Any woman in my bathroom, they better come out. You know what I'm saying?
And I don't need no bitch.
Any woman in my bathroom, they better come out. That is what I am telling you. Okay,
First of all, me tell you, me wouldn't do that. The bathroom plug up and a pure water upon the floor. I don't know why you go walk, all shit me still float over.
So why you choose to use my bathroom, Harry?
Honey, me just
Harry,
upstairs.
you have somebody in the bathroom.
I don't, why would I have, when I do someone in the bathroom? There is
Because
no
when the woman choose and the perfume, every single on the top, you understand? You have a man in the bathroom. Open the door, open the door. Open the door, let me go in there. Let me see whatever shit you have in here.
Cool off, relax, man. Count to 10.
Me not count to nothing.
9,
Me not count to nothing.
8, 7, relax, man.
What did he say?
Don't stress out yourself.
My girl, if you're in my bathroom, you need to come out. You need to come out of my bathroom.
Nobody not in there.
So you're just shaky.
Oh, shaky. No, man, me just stand up. Yes, I'm stand up. Look how long me stand up. Yes, my girl. From you gone right, yes, I'm stand up.
My youth, move out of my
You see,
move
before
out of
we
my
go
way.
use the washroom,
Yeah.
me stand up right here, so. Me not go nowhere else. And then, me did I watch TV, and me I press the top the Facebook and I said, me want me I go a little more.
You cannot press my top and I am not plug in.
I am not plug in.
I am not plug in.
No, man, me don't use it, man. Me don't use it. And
So who for shoes that downstairs?
what shoes?
And the top and the stairs.
Me never seen none of them there. As I said, from you there for up here, so me there.
Whatever you do.
What me fit do?
Okay, we'll open the bathroom door.
In the half full of water, shit on the floor, all kind of thing. You know what I'm going there right now? Only remember me, trust me. You know what I'm going to the washroom there right now. Remember, no, me I tell you honey, you don't need to go in the washroom there right now. Right now, I want you to say, it me lean up on right now. If I open the door there and go inside me, I'll drop down and I'll drop right down the shit water. Can't, no, you can't do that, honey.
You need to move out of my way because you can't tell me all kind of crap what you want. Tell me what me I'm going in the back. Me need to use the bathroom.
What kind of crap?
Harry.
No, give you no crap. Easy now, honey, easy now. You can't it. Rock. You don't want to see the light when I ask my girl, you turn fool. Nobody know in the washroom, you know, you have to tell them to jump through the window. You know, so window open, you think we know open? The people have gone long time, man. Don't worry yourself, man. A prank, honey. You see that body could have looked on the window.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
What? A prank, my girl. You know me now go bring up. You crazy, my girl. How am I do that?
I never know that because you want me all the time. So what the fuck do you want to do? I don't know what you will do.
Oh!
I don't want to lock up the bathroom. I don't believe it. I don't believe that somebody will go through the window.
Which window? Okay. You think you gonna fit through that window?
Yes, I could fit through that window.
You
So
wicked,
it's a barrier you bring. It's a barrier that bring come in here where she couldn't go through the window.
No, me
It's a
know
barrier.
you. When that the window.
I can't go through that window.
No,
From
you
my
couldn't go.
my head can't go through.
No,
My body can't
no.
go through. You want me to go through it show you now?
Go on, no.
Want me to go through it and show you?
Ah, man, you're mad, man. Nobody will go through the window. I just be open it before you. When me hear you come upstairs, can't show you know the heat still on. Me open it. Just for say, see your reaction when you come. But you don't know. Only you go and so get yours, man, I kiss, man.
You want the best one I slap. Don't give my kiss.
Well, okay, guys. Hope you enjoy that one day, you know. Because Mama Jones, she get vexed and gone downstairs. So, me I go check her, you know, in the little room there, you know. I hear where she are going, but, you know, she get got. Mama Jones, how you doing? You alright? Look at Mama Jones' face. So Mama Jones, what you say? You got?
If me got that, you are go see and you are gonna know who got when the time come, okay?
Alright, Mama, so you alright, you drink some water, so you cool off the heat on it. You drink like water, yeah man, that good for you, cool down the temperature and the blood pressure. But anyways, Mama, how it go? Me could talk to our family them and our friend them, no people wanna say, una alright?
Listen, Papa Harry come with him foolishness, but you know what? It's okay. As me always say, two can play the same game. You understand me? Because him Go on like say, well, then him have a girl upstairs. You understand me? But
Mama Joan, me know say me not do that. But guys, I want to support the thing. Subscribe. Touch the notification button. And give me a whole heap of likes. I'm not telling you not putting no pressure for now. How much likes. Whatever I don't feel like, give me happy with them.
so Papa, alright, let me ask you something. I who for the red shoes over there at the door?
You know your red shoes, Baba.
My red shoes?
Me dig deep in your shoes closet and when me do, me see this red something just pop up so.
My red shoes?
Then,
Me not have no red shoes.
Me never see you wear it yet, but in your closet me find it.
Red shoes.
And the something this
That is not my shoes.
Honey, we are talking about not your shoes. Me I tell you which part me find it. In your closet. Me find it. In your shoes them. We in the box still. You could not even remember it. Then the shoes them, first of all, Joan, me never see you wear that the shoes yet.
Me say, what do you want my class and find the shoes? They use that
you know,
shoes against me.
Dig deep, me dig about 30 years.
Anyway,
deep.
guys, it's okay. It's alright.
Deep.
Him prank me, yes. Him have a girl upstairs. But you know what, guys? It's okay. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, and give him 10,000 K for him hard work when put on. Because it look like him put on hard work. I'm going to dig out the shoes out of whichever part. I'm not remember that about there. So like, subscribe to my channel. And you know what? I'm going to get him back when the time come. And don't do it again. It's all good.
We deal with that time when that time comes.
It's okay, guys. Me see you in the next one. And this time I'm going...
Whatever. She can't say anything.
Bye, guys.